Good day everyone. So this is our project in ELS, the evolution of unicorn to horse. As you see, after a long period, the unicorn become horse because in the world that we live in, they appear big. The world are changing also where the animals are living. Despite of reproducting, also the place where animals live in. Time pass. Unicorn are becoming horse due to its environmental living and also the economic that they live in. And today, horse become popular due to its speed and people used to live with them, like doing work with them, like they use it for transporting or like doing sports like racing the horse.